Hello again and welcome to quick videos for learners in a hurry. In this presentation I just want to show you how you can very quickly format a spreadsheet. You can see this spreadsheet here is a simple spreadsheet. We've got names down the left hand side, months of the year, total average which haven't been filled in yet. But do you see these columns are too narrow to let the data appear? If I widen the column you'll see that actually there are numbers in there, but because the column's too narrow you get these hash signs. The same's going on here. This column A, is too wide. We don't need it that wide. November, column G is too wide. Quickly put these in order. Instead of individually moving each of the columns, if you place your cursor over this button at the junction of the column and row headings, that's just in this corner, and click once, that will highlight the whole of the spreadsheet. It selects everything. And then if you move your cursor between column headings, for example between D and E, we get this double-headed arrow. It doesn't matter which, between B and C it will be just exactly the same, or A and B. So whichever one you choose, it doesn't matter. But when it's there, double click the mouse, left button, and the spreadsheet formats perfectly to the optimum size. So there's no wasted space and everything's fully displayed. And while I'm on here, I just want to show you one more thing. Imagine you want these numbers, the bonus numbers, formatted as currency. I'm using Word 2010, but the same facility is available in earlier versions of Word. In your toolbar where we've got General, click the little down arrow and simply choose Currency. This adds the pound sign and formats it to 2 decimal places. Just widen that for a second and let me show you what happens if you select some of the other formats. If you select General, obviously you just get the numbers, and it's quite common for students to overlook doing this altogether and leave them as General. But also quite common, and I don't know why this is, students will on occasion choose Accounting. This does produce the pound sign and 2 decimal places, but as you can see the pound sign is always remote from the numbers, and it's not what we want. If you're asked to format data to currency, please don't use Accounting, use Currency, and you can double click there and get the optimum width of the column. That's all from me on this particular video. I'll be back with you shortly.